Hello friends, welcome to GK Big Bang channel. Today we are going to discuss important questions from the chapter Religious Movement of 6th century BCE, including the top 30 previous years questions. Let's begin the first question. When was Gautama Buddha born? Option A 563 BC, option B 561 BC, option C 558 BC, option D 544 BC. Okay friends, if you know the correct answer for this question, then please comment in the comment section. And next question, Syadvad is a doctrine of option A Lokayatism, option B Saivism, option C Jainism, option D Vaishnavism. Correct answer is option C Jainism. Syadvad is a doctrine of Jainism. Next question, which of the following is not the Triratna of Jainism? Option A right faith, option B right knowledge, option C right view, option D right conduct. Correct answer is option C right view. Right faith, right knowledge, and right conduct are the Triratnas of Jainism. Next question. Among the following, who is given the credit of carrying Jainism in South India? Option A. Sudharmana. Option B. Indrabhuti. Option C. Bhadrabahu. Option D. Stulabhadra. Correct answer is option C. Bhadrabahu. Bhadrabahu is credited with carrying Jainism to South India. Next question. To which religion is the term Anuvrata related? Option A. Mahayana Buddhism. Option B. Hinayana Buddhism. Option C. Jainism. Option D. Lokayata school. Correct answer is option C. Jainism. The term Anurvrata is related to the Jain religion. Next question. Which of the following religions does not trust in the concept of final annihilation of the world? Option A Buddhism, option B Jainism, option C Hinduism, option D Islam. Correct answer is option B Jainism. Jainism is the religion that does not believe in the concept of the final annihilation of the world. Next question. Who was the first Tirthankara of Jain religion? Option A Parshvanath, option B Rishabhanada, option C Mahavira, option D Chetaka. Correct answer is option B Rishabhanada. The first Tirthankara of the Jainism and the founder of the Ishvaku dynasty is Rishabhanada. Next question. Parshvanada, the Jain Tirthankara, was associated mainly with which of the following places? Option A Varanasi, option B Kaushambi, option C Girivraj, option D Champa. Correct answer is option A Varanasi. The 23rd Jain Tirthankara, Lord Parshvanath, was closely associated with Varanasi. Next question. Name the last Tirthankara. Option A Parshvanada, option B Mahavira, option C Siddhartha, option D Subhadra. Correct answer is option B Mahavira. Mahavira is the name of the last Tirthankara. Next question. On the bank of which river did Mahavira Swami attain enlightenment? Option A Swamasikta, option B Palashini, option C Ganga, option D Rijupalika. Correct answer is option D Rijupalika. According to traditional accounts, Mahavira attained enlightenment on the banks of the Rijupalika river in the village of Jimbika Grama. Next question. Mahavira's first disciple was option A Bhadrabahu, option B Stulabhadra, option C Charvaka, option D Jamali. Correct answer is option D Jamali. Who was also the son-in-law of Mahavira, was the first disciple of Mahavira. Next question. Samadhi Marana is related to which philosophy? Option A Buddhist philosophy, option B Jain philosophy, option C Yoga philosophy, option D Lokayata philosophy. Correct answer is option B Jain philosophy. Samadhi Marana is related to Jain philosophy. It is also known as Sallekana, Santara or Sannyasana Marana. Next question. With reference to the religious practices in India, the Sthanakvasi sect belongs to option A Buddhism, option B Jainism, option C Vaishnavism, option D Shaivism. Correct answer is option B Jainism. It is a sect of Svetambara Jainism. It is founded by a merchant named Lavaji in 1653 AD. Next question. Yapanya was the sect of option A Buddhism, option B Jainism, option C Shaivism, option D Vaishnavism. Correct answer is option B Jainism. Yapanya was a Jain order in western Karnataka, India. Next question. Svetambara Agama was finally edited at the Jain Council of option A Vaishali, option B Vallabhi, option C Pava, option D Pataliputra. Correct answer is option B Vallabhi. Vallabhi has been a famous Jain center. It was here in 453 or 466 AD. The Vallabhi Council of the Jains produced in writing the religious canon under the head of the Shaman Devardhigani. Next question. When was Gautama Buddha born? Option A 563 BC, option B 561 BC, option C 558 BC, option D 544 BC. Correct answer is option A 563 BC. Lord Buddha was also known as Siddhartha Gautama. He was a mediator, spiritual teacher, and a religious leader in ancient India in the 4th century BCE. He was born in Lumbini, Nepal in 563 BC. Next question. Who among the following was Buddha's foster mother? Option A Purna, option B Lakshmi, option C Maya, option D Mahapajapati Gautami. Correct answer is option D Mahapajapati Gautami. Mahapajapati Gautami was the foster mother of Buddha. She was the maternal aunt of Buddha and adopted and raised him after his birth mother Maya died. Next question. Where did Gautama Buddha attain Nirvana? Option B Sarnath, option C Kushinagar, option D Bodh Gaya. Correct answer is option D Bodh Gaya. Gautami Buddha is the founder of Buddhism. Buddha attained Nirvana under a peepal tree at Bodh Gaya in Bihar. Next question. Where did Buddha reside during the last rainy season of his life? Option A Shravasti, option B Vaishali, option C Kushinagar, option D Sarnath. Correct answer is option D Sarnath. The Buddha spent his last rainy season in Sarnath. Next question. Dharma Chakra Pravartana was performed at option A Sanchi, option B Sravasti, option C Sarnath, option D Vaishali. Correct answer is option C Sarnath. The Dharma Chakra Pravartana or turning of the wheel of law was performed at Sarnath. Next question. Who amongst the following was the last person converted by the Buddha? Option A Anand, option B Goshal, option C Subhadda, option D Vasumitra. Correct answer is option C Subhadda. Subhadda was the last person converted by the Buddha. Next question. Which of the events of Buddha's life is known as Mahabhinishkramana? Option A his death, option B his birth, option C his departure from home, option D his attainment of enlightenment. Correct answer is option C his departure from home. The event in Buddha's life known as Mahabhinishkramana refers to the moment when Siddhartha Gautama at the age of 29 left his palace and luxurious life to seek a solution to human suffering and attain spiritual enlightenment. Next question. In Buddhist principle, the performer of Sila and the achievement of Samadhi and Prajna lead to Nirvana. What does Sila stand for? Option A mental control, option B physical control, option C development of insight, option D strict penance. Correct answer is option A mental control. In Buddhist principle, the performer of Sila and the achievement of Samadhi and Prajna lead to Nirvana. What does this Sila stand for? Mental control. Next question. With reference to Indian history, who among the following is a future Buddha yet to come to save the world? Option A Avalokiteshvara, option B Lokeshvara, option C Maitreya, option D Padmapani. Correct answer is option C Maitreya. Maitreya will be the successor of Gautama Buddha. Maitreya is a bodhisattva who will appear on earth in the future and is regarded as a future Buddha of this world? Next question. Second Buddhist council was held at which place? Option A Rajgriha, option B Vaishali, option C Pataliputra, option D Kashi. Correct answer is option B Vaishali. The second Buddhist council was held in Vaishali, an ancient city in what is now the statue of Bihar in northern India. Next question. Gautam Buddha gave the maximum sermons at which place? Option A Vaishali, option B Shravasti, option C Kaushambi, option D Rajgriha. Correct answer is option B Shravasti. As the maximum number of disciples of Gautam Buddha were from the kingdom of Kosala, Buddha delivered his maximum number of sermons at Shravasti, the capital of the kingdom of Kosala. Thank you friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to GK Big Bang channel. Thank you.